ahinya bang' ka kamiti mochung' ne weche mag arita kwe kaunti no ma Migori obedo piny kendo koro singo mar neno ni giketo arita kwe moromo ne japiny. Ma obiro e seche ma kamanda mar obila e Migori County, jalup County Commissioner Mano Mauriri to kod jaod bura nogono ma gwengego noromo ndalo adek kende bang' ka ng'at achiel ande ni onegi to machielo noyudo hinyruok kaluwore gi monj kod jonjore manolal kod mwandu mathoth bende mapok oyange nyaka gie sani. Jalup County Commissioner Monica Kang'ethe Mano Mauriri koro noyie ni kethruok arita en adier ni osemedore e gwenge kendo jopiny osebedo koro ka ywak, to kata kamano nyaka gitem yore duto te mar neno ni giduoko kwe ma japiny bende koro dwaro. En weche ma bende nosir nyaka gi kamanda mar obila Mark Wanjala manogolo siem n'obila ma ibiro yudi ni koninde tich to ibiro chuno mondo koro kaw ondamo mowinjore koro nyaka loke kata gole kanyo. Jaod bura Mauriri Mark Nyamita korka kore to singo mar neno ni koro oketi teyni e boma no. Motelo ne mano jopiny ma bende koro gin chowang' nikech kethruok arita no nowacho ni po nono piny owacho ok nyal miyogi arita kwe to gibiro kawo chike lwetgi mar kedo to kod jogo bende koro ketho wechego mag arita.
I want to pass my deepest condolences and sympathies kwa yale ambayo ilifanyika juzi na ile pia ya Rogers the other week, kwamba that is something that we highly condemn. Hiyo si kitu ambacho mtu yeyote ama kiongozi yeyote atasema kwamba ni jambo ambalo ni nzuri. Kwa hivyo those who did that, tunasema hatutaki laana, lakini if you can kill a person, kama unaweza inua panga ukate jamaa yako, ukate ndugu yako ama dada yako, hiyo tunasema nini? Tunasema nini? That is something that we cannot condone. Na nikisimama hapa kama chairperson wa wilaya hii, ningetaka kusema hivi kwamba hicho kitendo kilifanyika tangu nikuje hapa, niko na mwaka mmoja na sijasikia kitendo kama hicho. In fact, kila siku nikiripoti nasema Uriri iko.
It happened recently here in Uriri and one person was killed. That's why the MP had to call for a meeting. We discussed the security issues of this Uriri town. We have agreed that we should be having mobile patrols within the town, and we want a roadblock to be here within the Uriri town. Also the officers where wananchi are complaining they are drunkards. So we are going to make sure these officers are transferred to other places. Those who are beyond will be taken for rehabilitation in Nairobi. And that's the thing that I'm going to do straight away from here, to request those drunkard officers to be taken for rehabilitation. Others will be transferred and we get new officers here. Yes.
I'm very happy by the swift reaction of the security team, because when we called them after the twin incidences whereby we had some of our business people attacked here, and the second attack actually led to the loss of one of our askaris. That when I did call them, they reacted very quickly, and we have been able to assemble this community meeting, which has been largely peaceful. And I think the feedback has been given by the stakeholders from the border, the community leaders, and even elected leaders. I am happy that the county commander has agreed to take immediate action, especially on the officers who are lazing around their place of work. So we expect that we are going to have a complete overhaul so that we have officers that are responsible. We have also agreed with the community to carry themselves in a particular way so that we become law-abiding citizens, so that we also don't do what we shouldn't be able to do. The community also, we have also said that security begins with yourself. From closely with the power people to try and ensure that we do a bit of security lighting around this area.